Here we have a 2015 Ford F-150 King Ranch, 30,000 miles, one owner, clean Carfax. Really a nice, sharp vehicle here. Ford put a lot of appointments and style into these King Ranch editions. This one's actually blue jeans over kind of like a tan or beige on the two-tone. You'll get a lot of that out of the King Ranch, the two-tone paint scheme. Also, as you can see, high-intensity headlamps, integrated fog lights there in the rear bumper, classic chrome 3-bar Ford grille. You can see the King Ranch embroidery or emblems here on the center caps of this wheel. We got brand new tires here, some Toyo tires, brand new. Winter treads on this truck, really nice tire on there. As you can see, the wheel is scuff-free. No scrapes or scuffs. Also a nice resurfaced rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that inspection signed by the mechanic that performed it. As we opened up the door, I was trying to show you some of the King Ranch badging. As you can see, you also see it on the door sill guards. You got it on the backs of your seats there. You have it on the center console. You have the full power seat on the passenger side here. You got the orange belt line and offset stitching with kind of the brown interior here. Two captain's chairs, full console that flows in between. You also get the wood grain like the lariat here on the door trim, and that orange stitching is also followed throughout the vehicle. Now this is the crew cab. As you can see, it does have the power running boards. You'll see how they open and come down as I open the doors here. As you can see, you got the King Ranch mats in here also. You got some embroidery on there. It's also on the backs of these seats. Huge space here on the crew cab. Very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room there for your rear occupants. Also, as you can see, we have rear heated seats and two different power supplies there as well as your vents on that flow-through console. So really nice. Now this is the long box. So this will be a 6.5-foot bed, 157-inch wheelbase here on this truck. You can see the pretty two-tone there, and also, like I say, Toyo tires, brand new, and scuff-free rear wheel there as well. Now, as we continue around to the back, you can see, again, King Ranch logo everywhere here. Also, you have your Class 3 tow hitch, integrated 7-way round, 4-way flat trailer wiring. We got your backup camera there. We have power sliding window there as well. Easy drop tailgate. You can see it comes down nice and slow, even though I don't have my hand on it. Factory sprayed in Ford bed liner. Very nice, nice option there as well. You can see we have the Ford mud flaps all the way around on this. It's been well accessorized. Again, brand new Toyo tires, scuff-free wheel. Also nice clean frame there, no oxidation, full-size spare on the back there as well. Again, drop down running boards, give you a shot from the rear and this side. You see very clean interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. Also, Ford does give you the ability for your combo entry and exit if you want to leave the vehicle running, and your automatic locks there. And as we open it up one more time, again, chrome door sill guards, full power seat on the driver's side. Now, just going to kind of go through the options, show you the layouts. We've got the windows, your mirrors, your door locks, and your memory seating. Up to 3 different preset settings, all right there on the door. We also have your powerful mirrors there, as you can see, heated, obviously. Now let's continue up. Now this is a one owner, clean Carfax. We got that printed off here as well, the auto history. There you can see, clean, no accidents. Also, we have 2 keys, as you can see there. And this vehicle, of course, is equipped with factory remote start. So you have that, and you have an automatic tailgate feature here as well. So that's a nice little feature to have. Now let's go ahead and put our foot on the brake, press the start, proximity key. You can see just over 30,000 miles, 30,045. Let's just go ahead and clear that off. And let's get back to some of your drivability. I'm actually changing that here with this control pad. Just want to show you some different options here. All kinds of different customizable settings, as you can see. Let's just go to fuel economy history. There we go. And as you can see, It's been cleared out, so only from driving from one building to the next, but there's all kinds of different options, configurable dashing that we can use here as I focus through. I'm controlling that with this pad right here. Also, we have your automatic headlamps, cargo light, fog lights, cluster dimmers, everything there, power pedals down below here. Stem to the left's your high beams and turn signals. Of course, there's that control pad for your customizable dash. We got your cruise control below that. Got your audio controls on your steering wheel right here, your Bluetooth or sync right there. Electronic shift on the fly transfer case. Big 8-inch touchscreen divided into quadrants. Top left is pair your phone. Top right is your navigation. You can see factory nav equipped. We'll go back to home. Bottom left is your audio. That's where you get your Sirius, satellite, AM, FM. And then on your bottom right is your climate control. As you can see, it has heated and cooled seats as well as a heated steering wheel. You got your knobs for your audio below that, and your knobs with your dual climate control sliders there below that. Also buttons for your heated and cooled seats here, as you can see, if you prefer to use the buttons versus the touch screen. Below that is your sync, where you have your audio pre-out USBs, 12-volt power supply. Got a floor shifter here with your manual to pick any of the gears. Also have a tow haul shifting mode there, 2 large cup holders. If we open up the console, big console. Little tray here, as we remove that, you'll see there's more connectivity down there, another 12-volt power supply. So it really has what you want. Up top, you can see the full pano roof over both cabins. And then also there are your controls as well as your LED map lights. And there is the button for your power rear sliding window. So let's go ahead and now that we've went over all those goodies, let's go ahead and pop the hood here. I believe this truck has a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine. And pop that. There you see it, 3.5 liter twin turbo EcoBoost charged engine. Actually has more horsepower and torque than the 305 V8, the 5.0 liter. So people are really loving this engine. Really high tech, shown to be very reliable. You can see very quiet, no exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on any of the terminals. Very nice, clean engine. Now, I'm going to shut the hood, we'll turn the truck off, and we'll get into the next portion of the video. Next portion is something that not only are we completely upfront and transparent in our pricing, we also are upfront and transparent in the condition of our vehicles. So my job is to be your eyes and ears here. I'm just going to kind of walk around this truck. If I see any dings, dents, scrapes, scratches, stone chips, I'll let you know. All the body lines are nice, straight, and clean. Shows no signs of any prior paint. Haven't noticed any little dings yet. Couple tiny little stone chips there, as you can see. We do have a little ding right on the edge of this cab. So I think I can catch that in the light. You can see a little ding there, little tiny stone chip right there. Coming up this bedside, it's another little ding down here. You can see it down in that tan area there of the bed. The rest of the bedside looks pretty good. Tailgate, couple little dings. A little ding right there. Little one right beside it there. So 2 little tiny dents there. Bumper's good. Well, we got a little dent down there on the chrome portion of the bumper. Top of the tailgate looks good. Let's continue around. See if we got any little marks on this side. We try to buy them as absolutely clean as possible. Of course, it is a used vehicle. It's hard to find ones that are perfect. Couple little chips down here. There's one. There's one. I don't notice any dents on that side though. Working our way up to the fender. Little scratch right here. Kind of about, it's been touched up and buffed out. But there's a little scratch there on that fender, about 6 inches long. We got a couple little chips and stone chips. See there on the front face of the hood is a couple. Hard to avoid that. Little ding with a couple little chips right there. And then just a few on the top portion of the hood. But all in all, guys, extremely nice, clean, new car alternative here. Save thousands and thousands of dollars over what you would pay new for one of these things. So get in, it's clean, it's nice, one owner, all the options. If you're interested, look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com. Give us a call, area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. Appreciate your time watching this video. Hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.